Hello everyone. So this is the first project that we did last time we checked about the theory part of this. Oh, now in this we can see that we have used two LED bulbs. One is red and one is blue, and two resistors are connected to it. And you see the negative terminals are connected to pin number 11 and pin number 10. Let me zoom it for you. So here, so negative terminal of red is connected to 11 and 10 is connected for the blue. Okay. Now we'll go for the coding part. Here you can see the coding part. We'll drag component here. Okay. So what's set up in 11 and 10? And this is the code which we have seen in the last video. And you can see here the code is working fine. I'll show you. So one problem that you will be finding in this online tutorial for this LED bulb brightness is you will not be able to notice it clearly. But yes, it happens because if you try changing the delay time or the voltage at some different interval, it will be easily like you can easily check that it's changing. So I'll show you. Now see, this is glown and this has glown after some seconds. Now it is getting dim. You see this portion is changing. Okay. So you see this thing, this is diminishing. It's going down very minutely and coming up. Same is happening with the blue. I don't know whether it is visible at your end or not, but if you can try at your computer or your laptop, you can easily see this. Okay. If not, then try doing for one LED bulb, and you can see the code here. So you can even try with one LED bulb also. You can see it. Okay. So that's all for today in this project, and I hope you will be able to see this in a much better way in your real Arduino board. But as I have said, hold for some seconds, not seconds, sorry, uh, hold for some time. I'll be uploading the parts from where exactly you need to buy. And because if you go directly to Arduino website, and you can even find the part over there also, but that's very costly. It's approximately $99, something like that. I'll show you. It's taking a bit. Yes. So if you see on Amazon, multiple kits are available, but you have to be very careful about what you buy because you will not need everything, and sometimes you will just waste your money. So this is website, and you see it's 95.90 or approximately $110.3. Okay, and I'll show you exactly what the cost is. So it is 110. That is approximately 9,000 with shipping and all those things. And that is very costly. When I say very costly, because if you see on Amazon, you can get it at very cheaper prices, 2899. But these are different. These kits are based on different project. These are designed or the parts are collected into it on the basis of different project. So I'll not recommend you to go and buy this because I'll be telling you what exactly and different parts you need to buy and at very cheaper rate, not this rate, very cheaper rate, and that will be much more helpful, and best of it will be that you will be using it on the basis of the projects that we are doing, not on the basis on which they have made the project. Okay. You can even see here also different Arduino kit sponsors are there, 17,831, then 24,000. So means they arrange the kit or make the kit on the basis of different project. Okay. So until unless you know what project you are going to do, you should not be buying this. Just buying Arduino kit will not solve your problem, because if you just buy the Arduino kit, then again you will need multiple more uh, components to make the project. So just hold on. I'll share with you the right buyer, right link, where you can find the projects and description. There are some vendors which tell you exactly what kind of kits will be required for what kind of projects. And if you need extra, they will be providing you with heavy discount. So I am in discussion with some of the Arduino board makers, and they will be helping me with the supply, and I'll try to get you at least cost that will be possible. Okay. So I'll request just hold on for some time or some days. I'll give you the link for that. Okay. Thank you so much.